To Biomagic, we'll deal with very important gland, that is pituitary gland, the master gland. It is small pea shaped, okay, and it is present below hypothalamus, and which is connected to the brain by a small stalk, right? Now this pituitary gland is divided into three parts: anterior, intermediate and posterior. Let's see. So anterior part of pituitary gland consists of different types of hormones: somatotropin, which is otherwise known as growth hormone; thyrotropin; corticotropin; follicle stimulating hormone, that is FSH; luteinizing hormone, that is LH; and prolactin. Okay, and intermediate part consists of melanocyte stimulating hormone, that is MSH, and posterior side consists of very important hormone, that is oxytocin and vasopressin. Very important. So this is a general idea of pituitary gland, which are the hormones produced by pituitary gland. Let's see these two, that is oxytocin and vasopressin. What are the very important characters of these two hormones? Now oxytocin, it stimulates contraction of uterus. At the time of delivery, this hormone is helping in the contraction of uterus. Childbirth, that is why it is known as birth hormone. It induces contraction of mammary gland, which is producing milk, so it is also known as milk ejection hormone. So very important, which is a birth hormone, which is a milk ejection hormone, it is nothing but oxytocin. Now vasopressin, otherwise known as antidiuretic hormone, that is ADH, right? It increases reabsorption of water from urine, that is different collecting tubes. This hormone increases the absorption of water. Suppose this hormone deficiency is there, it will cause diabetes insipidus, which is nothing but the urine will be very dilute, that is hypotonic urine. So its deficiency will lead to this disease. So these are the two very important hormones. Hope you understood. So you can see pituitary gland is present below the hypothalamus, and pituitary gland is connected with the brain by a little or very small stalk.